Leches.
Oh, I love Tres Leches.
I know you do.
I do.
Help me crack some eggs,
Okay.
and I'll tell you about it. So if you want, we'll put the whites here and the yolks here.
Okay.
Tres Leches is not a cake. Tres Leches is a lifestyle.
Oh my gosh.
I'm kidding. It just sounded like a commercial. No. Like Tres Leches in Mexico, it's such a huge thing.
It's a huge thing.
I mean,
it's
Tres
like
Leches.
the country's dessert. It's like our
Thing.
apple pie.
Yes. But Mexicans don't make Tres Leches at home, even though it's ridiculously easy, because you can find it in every corner.
So for the people that are watching this that don't know any Spanish, it means 3 milk.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yeah. So
That's my Spanish coming out right there.
Yeah. How did you say Tres Leches? Say
Tres
it again.
Leches.
Indulge me.
I just said it. You didn't even understand me.
I didn't hear you. So you're gonna beat these just until they hold soft peaks.
Okay.
And once they hold soft peaks, we're gonna add a cup of sugar. Okay, so here we have the 8 egg yolks that you cracked, and then I have a half a cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. That's perfect. I have 2 cups of flour, just all-purpose flour. So a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And then we're going to alternate.
Okay.
Mixing in there or in here. So let's add some of that
Into
in
here? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see how beautiful?
Mm-hmm. Let's put them all,
In here. Yes. And I like desserts that are very messy. My hands are kind of sloppy and have always been very sloppy, so I need to make sloppy desserts.
You just move fast, Patty.
No, I'm just sloppy. So then what we're gonna do is, if you help me pour half and half.
Okay.
I love the sound. Did you hear the sound?
Well,
Yeah, wait, can you do it here?
I mean, I don't know. It was
Yeah, you can.
Okay, pressure.
Oh, that was
It did,
lovely.
it did. I might be able to get another one. No. Too much of a good thing.
Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna spread it a little. I have the oven at 350, and these are gonna bake for like 22 minutes.
Oh,
So, you can make a tres leches with any kind of fruit.
okay.
But since we have plums and apricots in my garden, we're gonna make it with plums and apricots.
Because I'm here.
See? You don't have to be precious, that's what I love about a tres leches cake. Like, you don't have to peel the fruit and dice it and make it all beautiful. You just want the big chunks in there. Okay, so we have enough. Okay, beautiful.
That looks great. Is that one done?
It could take another minute. So this is perfection. And then just poke it. And then let's make our 3 milk sauce.
It smells so good.
It does smell really, and you saw how airy it is. Well, you'll see when we cut into it. But so we have milk and we have evaporated milk. We're just gonna pour it here.
So evaporated milk is kind of sweet, no?
It's a little sweet. It's sweeter than whole milk. And then sweetened condensed milk is the same thing, but with a ton of added sugar. Okay, so if you help me mix that, and I'm gonna take the other cake out. Have you tasted cajeta?
What is that?
So it's Mexico's dulce de leche.
Because it's made with goat's milk.
See? You knew that.
I did.
So you've eaten it before?
Well, there's, I have a mild obsession with dulce de leche, so I know its forms.
Yeah. Can you tell
It
the
is better.
difference? I mean, isn't it?
Because goat's milk has more nuance.
Exactly. And because I wanted to do a new cake for you. It's not a tres leches, it's a cuatro leches cake.
Oh.
Because that's our 4th milk.
Wow, okay. You
So-
surprised me.
How surprised are you? Super surprised!
Sorry.
So we're just gonna pour this whole thing here. And then this is gonna be like the middle layer. You can pour it then.
Okay.
So you can do half. It's gonna be a mess anyway, which is good.
This is good.
So then we're gonna do the fruit. And these look so beautiful already, no? Let me bring the other cake.
Hermosa.
That's beautiful!
I rolled my R.
And now we poke.
This is really easy.
So easy. And it looks, you know,
It looks like a homemade dessert.
not gorgeous, but it doesn't matter
It doesn't
because
matter.
we're gonna cover it with heavy whipped cream. This is Mexican canela or the Ceylon cinnamon.
Yay! This is really why I came.
Yes. Okay, where do you want me to cut?
I want the best part.
That would be the middle.
Okay, I don't have to have it then.
I will get the middle for
No,
you.
no, no,
Oh,
no.
I will get the middle
just-
for you. Oh, no. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
I never let my kids do this, ever.
Well, don't. I think Alan's over there.
I hope they're not watching.
Oh, wow. Saucy. Oh, my.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Tres leches.
Cuatro leches.
Sí.
You say it.
You say it.
Cuatro leches.
Muy bien. Sí.
Oh, wow. That is great.
And the more it soaks,
It's going to be like a pudding almost.
it's really hard to find a really good friend that's also a peer that's in the same
World.
world with you.